Today, we will understand ERP architecture and how it helps businesses manage all operations in a single system.
ERP connects finance, HR, sales, purchasing, inventory, manufacturing, and customer service into one integrated system. The presentation layer is the user interface where employees interact with ERP through dashboards and forms. Users can easily create reports, approve requests, and manage daily tasks using ERP software. The application layer processes all business rules and controls how data is handled inside the system. It checks approvals, validates data, and ensures every business process follows correct rules automatically. The database layer stores all company data securely in one centralized location.
All departments share the same data, which improves accuracy and removes duplication.
ERP enables real-time data sharing between all departments for faster and better decision-making.
ERP improves efficiency, reduces errors, and helps companies make better business decisions.
With Cloud ERP, businesses can access their system anytime, anywhere, using the internet.
ERP integrates all business functions into one powerful system for complete organizational control.
In the next video, we will learn about ERP users and roles and understand their responsibilities in the system.
If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more ERP learning videos.